we're down here in the National Cybersecurity Centre in the Liberties as part of the Nato exercise Locked Shields 2025. This is a multi-agency, multi-nationality exercise which is taking part consecutively across the world. We are paired with the US, with Greece and with Estonia. In the exercise scenario, we are the fictional country of Berylia and we're at war with our neighbouring country, Crimsonia. They have annexed part of the country and our role is to defend the rest of the Berylian state and the Berylian critical infrastructure and power network against cyber attacks, to bolster the Berylian cyber defence and to counter any misinformation, disinformation or malinformation that is being produced by the enemies.
My name's Chief Warrant Officer 2 E.J. Calvert with the Tennessee Army National Guard, here in support of Locked Shields 25. The reason these types of cyber exercises are important is in relation to real events such as in Spain a few days ago that wiped out critical infrastructure within the country.
My name is Joseph Stevens. I'm the Director of Resilience from the National Cybersecurity Centre. We're participating in the world's largest cyber defence exercise. There's 4,000 participants across over 40 countries in the world. This is how the biggest countries in the world, including the United States, people in Eastern Europe, people in Asia Pacific, prepare for war essentially. And what we're doing here is looking at how you can defend in the cyber domain.